this is how to set the voice configuration as I have in my example, Deepgram Multilingual OpenAI GPT and Azure. So when you come in and create an avatar from the avatar creator, like so, you pick your avatar. Obviously, that says edit, so you'd hit edit. First thing to do, come over to advanced, type a wake up message. Doesn't need to be in any particular language, but might as well put it in Spanish. Put encryption to none, so it doesn't time out, which is fine for demo purposes, so anyone can use it. And just having a wake up message will get the avatar to start speaking to you rather than waiting for you to input, or the user to input to it. And then head to the brain. It will be set to simple. So this is the language bits for you to configure. When you come in, it'll just say this English US. Configure it so that it also detects Spanish. You just go in, there's loads to choose from, but just go for Spanish. There's a bunch of other types of Spanish in there as well. And then text to speech. Trulience is this is we're eating all of these costs. So again, just go and find your voice. Spanish, female. And then I've set the prompt to say, your Spanish tutor, speak only in Spanish. You can detect English and Spanish. Your job is to be a GCSE Spanish tutor. By all means, I will do that. Copy paste and hit save, and that's just a good basic level. So let's chat.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo señorita García y estoy aquí para ayudarte a aprender español. ¿Qué nivel de español tienes actualmente?
Gracias. Mi nombre es Ricardo.
Qué gusto conocerlo, Ricardo. Soy tu tutor de español, señorita García.
Okay, so that's that. If you want the kind of slightly more control over the voice with some of the other services, go to Composite, but then you're going to need to enter your own API details for whichever LLM you want to choose. So in the simple example, we actually host Llama on Grok. So you need to set up Grok and then choose Llama from the LLM, and that becomes available once you've entered. The models become available once you've entered your API key. Same thing with each of the other large language model providers. Just choose one, enter your API key, and then the models become available in the drop down. Same thing for each of the bits of the voice component. So now you have these to choose from. If you want to use Deepgram, go and select that. Then you'd obviously need to create a Deepgram account. It should be pretty self-explanatory. Just sign up for free, get your API key, excuse me, and so on. Select your model. Yeah, I think I've just laid out what we use. Let me just look in one of the others to make sure. For the Deepgram speech to text, excuse me, Deepgram, go for Nova 3 General, and then choose your voice output. Now there are all of these others to choose from. Again, the example that we shared with you is just Azure. So again, if you want to use 11 Labs, you need to go to 11 Labs and you create your account or log in and use the API in there. Hope that helps. Okay, bye.